Start with the robotic nozzle in park position. Park is the default off position. Turn the system on by simply pressing the on button. The system default mode is that system plays back the saved sequence when started or externally activated from a digital input. To edit the saved sequence, press Programming mode. Begin by setting the starting position for the rotation. The starting position can be either to the right or to the left. Click Set Rotation Start. Move to the rotation turning point, then click Set Rotation Turn. Select the desired rotation speed. Select the desired vertical starting position. Select the desired vertical speed from 0 to 255. Select the step size for the vertical movement. It is now possible to change the direction off the entire sequence. You can now also set a total number of steps. When all settings are done, please click the Save Settings button. Please exit the programming mode. The system will now immediately start playing back the washdown sequence you just created.